Hey kids, welcome to Bubbly Bugs! Like and subscribe.
Can you guess this bug? Red with black spots, a garden helper. It's a ladybug. Ladybugs eat plant-eating pests. Can you guess this bug? It makes honey and loves flowers. It's a honeybee. Bees talk through dancing. Can you guess this bug? It buzzes and loves food. It's a fly. Flies have 360-degree vision. Can you guess this bug? It's fast and hides in the dark. It's a cockroach. Did you know that cockroach can survive without a head for a week? Can you guess this bug? It starts as a caterpillar. It's a butterfly. Butterflies taste with their feet. Can you guess this bug? It's tiny and strong and lives in big families. It's an ant. Did you know ants can carry things 50 times heavier than their own body? Can you guess this bug? That glows at night. It's a firefly. Their glow is called bioluminescence. Can you guess this bug? Shiny shell loves leaves. It's a beetle. There are 400,000 plus types of beetles. Can you guess this bug? Jumps really high. It's a grasshopper. They make music by rubbing legs. Can you guess this bug? Wiggly and loves leaves. It's a caterpillar. Some caterpillars become butterflies.